Good morning. So today we are in Hoi An, but we're actually leaving right now. We're going to be heading to a lot of noise. We're going to be heading to Danang, which is a big city nearby. We honestly haven't really planned anything today, so we're just going to be like winging it. We're not even really sure how to get there yet. We think we're going to get like I guess like a bus. We've got to walk like 15 minutes now to get the bus, and then that should take us to Danang. That's what we're hoping anyway. And then, like I said, we really don't have any of the day plans, so yeah, we'll just see what happens during the day. I'll have it with tofu.
Yeah, tofu and mushroom. Okay.
Yeah, mushroom.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. So as usual, we come to a nice little like local looking spot to have breakfast. As I've mentioned before, Vietnam has by far the most like restaurants and cafes that I've ever seen. It's literally like every single building, so you'll never have a hard time finding food around here. You can see the street here, pretty local, typical Vietnamese looking street. And the food was really cheap. I think it's like $1.70 for a coffee and a banh mi, so I'll show you that soon. So I'm enjoying a lot this banh mi, really like juicy. You can see here it's basically like tofu, mushrooms, vegetables, and a whole lot of sauce. So it's essentially just like a French baguette. So I guess when the French colonized Vietnam, they brought French baguettes, and I guess the locals liked it because now this is one of their like typical dishes here. So yeah, so I definitely recommend eating this if you come here. And we are off again. So this is basically the least glamorous side of backpacking. On like the travel days where you're walking in the heat like this, it's like 37 degrees Celsius, 100 Fahrenheit, and I'm carrying like 8 kilos right now. I think Carol's carrying what, like 10? Yeah, like 10 kilos, and yeah, it's just a lot of stuff to carry while you're walking in this kind of heat. So this happens quite a lot if you're in a hot country. So yeah, not good, but got water either way. So we're on the local bus now. Not exactly sure how much it is. I think it's supposed to be around like 70 to 80 cents, but I've heard they try ripping tourists off, so we'll see how much they try and charge us.
Okay, so the money should be 80,000 and they don't want to accept. You don't accept this?
No, you can take and give me your bag here, $10,000.
But is everybody paying that?
No, they have bags too.
Vietnamese chanty, okay? Chanty?
Yeah, 20, not 30.
And give me your bag.
No, they didn't pay for the bags. They're not paying 30. So we don't know what's happening. He won't accept the money we're trying to pay, which is the correct amount. He keeps saying it's more. So right now we haven't paid, and I don't know what's going to happen. Okay, we got off the bus. Just an update, we defeated the scam. So we only paid 18,000 each. It's not even about the money, because he was trying to charge double, which still isn't that much really. It's only like $1.50 or $1.60. It's more just the principle. They shouldn't be stealing money from you. That's a public bus. That's not like some tuk-tuk driver that can charge you whatever he wants because it's his private vehicle. That is a public bus. So you should only be paying the correct amount, obviously. We read about this scam online before, so what you have to do, just give him the exact amount. Don't give them more because they won't give you the change back. But I read a lot of reviews of people saying that they just won't give him any change back, so yeah, just keep that in mind. And yeah, like I said, it's not really about the money. It's just not a nice feeling getting scammed. Carol went pretty hardcore on the guy. All the people on the bus were like watching, so it's pretty funny. What did you say?
Oh, I told him that was not right. Like it's not good for the tourists, because like we are sharing this experience with everybody in our channel, so tourists will know about that, and it's not good. And I also told him, like, if you go to my country, this is not gonna happen to you. Like I told him, Brazil is also a poor country, but we don't usually do that with tourists. So
yeah, so like Carol said, Brazil's a really corrupt country and stuff, but they don't do that stuff with tourists. If you go on a public bus, you're paying the same price as everyone else. You're not gonna get ripped off. So right now I think we're about like 5 minutes away from our hotel. We're just gonna get a Grab, and then yeah, we'll head to the hotel and check in. Is that it? Yeah. Yeah. So we arrived at the hotel. I'll give you a quick tour soon. We're just in the lobby waiting. We've got this cat absolutely chilling. How much was this place, Carol?
$15.
$15. Yeah, $15 on Airbnb. I think it's like $17 a night with the service fee. So yeah, just keep that in mind. Okay, so the very quick room tour. This place is called Baobab Homestay. So you can see it's pretty nicely furnished here. Got this like light wooden vibe going on. And the bathroom here, nothing too fancy, but looks pretty good. So that's it, the quick tour. And I think now we're definitely just gonna head to the beach, because yeah, we don't really want to walk around exploring in this heat, and then later on when it gets cooler we might do something different. But yep, first let's check out this beach. So we're pretty much on like the sidewalk of the beach right now, and this place is completely different to anywhere that we've been in Vietnam. Like so far in Vietnam, it's always been like authentic, old looking places. This is kind of like a really modern looking city. Lots of like high-rise buildings here. So if you just look here on the front, look, it's like huge, I guess hotels, I'm not sure. Might be apartment blocks as well, but yeah, everything looks modern here. And me and Carol was kind of saying, since we mentioned she's from Brazil, it's like Copacabana. You walk in the streets, it's all like tiled, tiled sidewalks, like plants and stuff and trees in the streets, and yeah, like I said, just the high-rise buildings. So yeah, very different, but very cool at the same time. Carol's got some info. What is it?
I read it's like a boat, but not a boat.
Basket boat, right?
Yeah, I read that the French was trying to charge a fee for boats. They didn't want to pay for the fee.
Oh, the boat fee.
Yeah.
So they made these basket boats.
Yeah, that's what I read.
Alright, history with Carol. So those basket boats, in certain places you can like pay to go on like trips in the basket boats and stuff. So yeah. But check this beach out, absolutely huge. It's been ages since I've been on a big beach like this. You can see this way as well. I read it's a 20-mile beach, so it really is a huge beach. All right, let's see what this ocean is like. Unfortunately, there's quite a lot of trash here. You can see like plastic lying around everywhere. So the ocean here is really warm. We were at the beach in Hoi An yesterday, which is just down the coast over there, 40 minutes down the coast, and it was like kind of cold there, but here is, yeah, really warm. Not too bad though. It's kind of overcast at the moment. I wish it was like that while we were traveling to here. It'd be nice if it was sunny right now. I don't know if you can see, but in the distance over there, there's like a big temple complex. So I just read some quick reviews on Google Reviews. I do that quite often, and apparently it's a really cool place to go. So I think later on around like sunset time, we'll go and check out that temple over there. Should be pretty cool. You can see here you got more trash. I'll take that out. And here you have even better view of like the seafront. So kind of like I mentioned before, it's just huge high-rise buildings all over the place. They're constructing loads of buildings as well. Like there's like 2 there, 1 down there. Guys, seriously, look at all this crap. You got straws, I guess bits of water bottles, plastic bags. Yeah, this is all pretty sad. I'd say Vietnam has been the worst for ocean pollution out of all the countries I've been to in Southeast Asia. Never really had like this much. So yeah, all I can do is do my best to collect what I see and hope that others do the same. Look at all this crap.
Is it full of trash?
Yep. I was just saying, I think Vietnam's the worst place for ocean trash, right, that we've seen. It is.
Ha Long Bay was like
Yeah, Ha Long Bay was terrible. It's a shame. So we've come up to that temple now. I'll write the name down because it's too hard to pronounce. And we got a metered taxi here. We don't usually get metered taxis. I think it ended up costing around $5. Only a little bit more expensive than what it was showing on Grab, so not too bad. We never really get metered taxis, so we're just trying it out. And yeah, we're gonna check out this big statue. I'm not sure if it's a Buddha, but there's a huge statue here. So let's see how it is. Here we have the cool bonsai trees. They look pretty awesome. Check how cool this place looks. Awesome architecture. I guess that's the main temple, right?
Yeah, looks like.
Looks really cool. Here we have like a bonsai garden. And look at the size of that thing. Crazy. I'm not sure if you can see all that, guys, but I think that's the biggest statue I've ever seen, like, stood up anyway. That thing is absolutely huge. All the signs are in like their language, so I literally know no history about this place at all. Probably need like a guide or something. That's the advantage, I guess. I don't think we expected this place to be this cool, right?
No.
Yeah, everything.
We thought it would be the giant Buddha and that's it.
And that's it, yeah. But you got like temples. There's another pagoda back there that we'll check out later on. So I think this is definitely one of the best viewpoints to, yeah, see the whole of Danang. You can basically see the entire city here. So we were like over there somewhere. So we just drove up the coast to this place. behind there seems to be a big lake or something. I'm not sure, or if that's ocean. And I didn't mention before, it's free entry, so you don't have to pay anything to come in here. So yeah, pretty crazy. I'd expect a place like this to charge a small fee or something, but no. So it is definitely way bigger than we could have imagined. There's loads of spots, and yeah, you can still get empty, beautiful spots like this pagoda here. So just everybody goes around the main statues and stuff, but if you just walk around the garden, it's pretty nice and calm. I mean, look around here right now. There ain't anybody here at all. We are now heading to the last spot of the day, which is the big, cool pagoda. That is the official name of this thing. At least Carol laughs. Probably even cooler than the statue over there. This is like photographer's heaven, this place. Lots of cool stuff to film and take pictures of. Alright, we just sat down here now, still in the same place. I'm going to close the video out now because we're just going to head back to the hotel and we're not going to be doing anything else for the rest of the day. It's been a really long day, but yeah, Danang seems pretty cool. A bit modern and stuff. I prefer the old authentic places, but yeah, still some cool stuff to do. This place has been amazing with the temples and stuff. And regarding the scammers and things before, that's just normal throughout Southeast Asia really. You go through those kind of things every single day while you're traveling through Southeast Asia, so it's nothing specific to Vietnam. If anything, Vietnam's been the best country yeah, for like scammers and stuff. It's where we've had like the least incidents, so yeah, it's nothing against Vietnam, but that's just one of the things that can happen. And since I was filming today, I ended up showing it, so yeah. And tomorrow we're going to be going to the ancient city of Hoi, I think it's called. It's like 2 hours from here, so that's probably going to be the next video. As always, just thanks for watching. Drop a like to support me, subscribe to like to see more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.